Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time. I think the last video was during Valentine's Day, which is a month ago. It's second week of quarantine. I've been doing nothing for the first week. I was like, just take my time, take my break. But I feel bad from inside, like, what am I not doing anything at all? And then I started to feel like, it's second week and I wanted to do something. Why not just put some makeup on my face and feel good? I just put some makeup and then later I'm gonna watch Netflix, eat some snacks. I was thinking, instead of keep feeling bad about myself and depressed, whatever, why not just start doing something to cheer me up? And I really think every time when I do makeup tutorial, when I'm filming, I feel great. It's like a therapy to me. So girls, why not take out all of your makeup, try some cosmetics that you've never used before, and just put it on and see what happens, We should make full use of this time and have fun. Have fun with our makeup. So this is the look that I came out with. It's nothing crazy. Initially I wanted very natural makeup, but it turns out to be a little bit more. But it's okay. I like how it turns out. I like the lip color. I like the blusher. If you want to see how I get this look, then just go ahead and keep watching. So I came across this Blemish Balm from Dr. Christine Schrammek. I got this from my aunt. She's a beautician. I've been using her products since ever since I started taking care of my skin. So this is really good for those of you who have just done laser or you just came back from facial. This is really good for your skin because it has a little bit of coverage, but not a lot. If you feel like you want to cover something, like you want to have some color on your face, but it's like seamless, it doesn't look much, then I'll recommend this. So I have shades Light and Honey. I think I'm in between these two shades. I'm gonna mix these two shades. Bear in mind, this is not a foundation. It has really sheer coverage, almost to nothing. So this is perfect for those of you who wanted to put a little bit of color on your skin but still look nice. I'm getting this Morphe M439. As you can see, it's like I'm looking very glowy right now. It's really barely any coverage, but I like how I look right now. Moving on to concealer. Since we don't have a lot of coverage on the skin, I still want to cover a little bit of my dark circles and a bit of any of the blemishes, but I'm good. I can go out with this skin. For concealer, I'm using this Maybelline. And I have shades Medium and Sand Sable. Medium and Sand Sable. So I'm going to put this medium around my dark circle because this one has a little bit of pinkish tone, which is good to cover any darkness you have underneath your eyes. And then Sand Sable, I'm going to just put it around the edges. I'm going to blend it using Morphe M173. You You can blend it all over your eyelid to make it as eye primer as well. Whatever remains on the brush, I'm gonna just bring it over my nose area, my chin, and the bridge of the nose. Maybe around my lips because I have discoloration around there. I'm gonna set my face with All About Face translucent powder, Morphe E48. I'm gonna just set my whole face. I'm also gonna powder a little bit on my forehead. I'm also gonna powder my eyelid. Moving on to brows, I'm gonna use this Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 4. I'm going to take one Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer and Fenty Beauty Private Island. I'm actually in KL right now and my whole family is in my hometown, Perlis. I really wish I could be with them, but I know what's for the best. It's best if I can just stay here instead of going back, because it's better for us, it's better for me, it's better for them. But I really do miss my parents, my sisters, my brother, and my nephew and niece. Next I'm taking this Maybelline eyeshadow palette. This is color Sensational in Topaz Gold. And I'm going to be taking this gold shade on the middle. With my ring finger, I'm gonna put it all over my lid. You know, when I first heard of this virus, I was in a trip with my family during Chinese New Year. We were all in Koh Samui, Thailand, having our Chinese New Year trip. Normally we wouldn't go anywhere during Chinese New Year because we always stay at home and, you know, having all of the angpaos and celebrate at home. But because my grandpa passed away 1 year ago, so we couldn't really celebrate much. That's why we went to Koh Samui. Curling my lashes and using Zoeva 322 brown line and the black from the palette. I'm gonna draw a wing liner. I just got the news yesterday that the quarantine is being extended to another 2 weeks. I don't know what to think, honestly, because I know I work from home, so it's not so much of a difference for me, but I know for a lot of people it's really tough. But staying at home all the time for 4 weeks, which is a whole month, can be really depressing, you know? What else can we do when we are home? I've pretty much watched every series that I wanted to watch on Netflix. And then I'm gonna take a liquid liner. This is from Maybelline. And look at the brush. I messed it up. So I'm gonna be type lining. Mascara, Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, my favorite, by Maybelline. I'm gonna use a little bit of the bronzer from Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna be putting it under my eye. Mascara on bottom lashes. For the lower waterline, I'm going to put this Maybelline New York College Show eyeliner in white. Alright, let's move on to skin before we come back to the eyes and the eyebrows if we need to touch up. Bronzing the face, I'm going to use the same thing. I'm going to use this E4 Morphe brush. I haven't seen the sun for so many days. Make sure my face is sun-kissed, bronzed. Okay, I didn't want to talk too much when I was doing my eye makeup. Now I can. I'm really blessed to have Wei Jin and his girlfriend Hui Yi as my housemates because they cook every day almost. They always cook for us. They are the chef of the house. I'm so blessed to have them as my housemates, especially during this quarantine, because I mean I can cook a little bit with my own recipe, but everything is basically a lot of sodium. I love salty, spicy, sour. I'm a Thai mix, so I really can't live without eating spicy food or salty food, which is not really good to be honest, but what to do, I'm craving for them all the time. Next, I'm taking this Makeup for Life in 604. I'm not sure about the quality of it. I'm going to test it out by using the same brush. Ooh, it's pigmented. Woohoo! I like the shade. It's pretty. So, tell me, what have you done for the first week of quarantine? For me, I didn't do much. I was cleaning my bedroom, my closet, and I was decluttering a lot of clothes that I don't wear anymore, and also makeup. And I have actually rearranged my makeup into this drawer on my back. Figure it's the best time for me to do all of this. I always wanted to clean them up, you know, but I never, just couldn't find the time to do it. I forgot to contour my nose. No wonder I look so weird. Take this brush. This is Morphe E62. It's a really nice shade for contouring the nose. And bronzer from Fenty. To highlight, I'm going to use this really pretty light gold from the palette. Taking this Morphe M441 brush. I don't normally use this brush for highlighting, but we're going to do it. Cheekbones. This is a really nice highlight color. Brow bones. Bridge of the nose. Cupid's bow. Moving on to the lips. I think I'm going to use this Sofvona Wonderstruck in Dusk. I've tested this Sofvona Cosmetics on one of my videos previously. You can see how pigmented this product can be. So I'm going to just put it on the middle of my lips just to test it out if this is the color that I want. I'm going to just soften it up using my finger. Then I'm going to use this Silky Girl Long Wearing Lip Liner in 03 Rose. So I just put on this really comfy robe and I'm gonna start watching my Netflix with this and this makeup and some snacks, and I'm good to go. This is the makeup that I do during quarantine. Alright guys, do tag me on Instagram. I want to see all your makeup for this quarantine, trying all of this random cosmetics that you've never tried before. Actually, I've tried quite a few stuffs that I've never used, like this Maybelline palette and this Makeup for Life blusher, which is so cute. I really like this shade. Actually, all of the brushes that I use are from Morphe, which is collaboration with James. And this is the first time I used it and I love it. And then also this Blemish Balm that I tried on my face. I think it looks cute. It's like there's some glowy going on. Definitely try this out. Try some cosmetics that you've bought and never used it. And I want to see how you guys do it. I want to see what kind of look you guys can come up with. And tag me on Instagram. I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm sure your vision will be very different from what I'm doing, but I wanted to see it. I really want to see it. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have fun. I'll see you on my next one.